Hello everyone, this is Yashmita. We have started a series named Anaganaga where we are going to turn NCERT lessons into stories. And also, we are starting this from 10th grade, history, that is with first lesson, nationalism in Europe. Whichever states following NCERT syllabus will find it helpful, especially Andhra Pradesh. And also this is available in both the languages, English and Telugu. Just check it. In the previous story, we saw the romanticism that is fighting with art, that are paintbrushes, music that are songs, poetry that are poems, and stories that are fairy tales. All these are called as romanticism in European nationalism. So, shall we dive into our present story? The years after 1830 were not just about big dreams and songs. They were also about hunger, sadness, and people rising in anger. And in 1830s were really hard for people in many parts of Europe. The population grew very fast. There were more seekers of job than employment. People moved from villages to cities to find work but ended up living in dirty, crowded slums. Small workers who made clothes at home or in tiny shops couldn't compete with cheap mission made goods from England. England had many missions, bigger factories, and faster productions. In many areas, rich landlords who are called aristocrats. So if you want to know who are aristocrats, I'll put a link in description, so click it on it so that you'll be able to know who are aristocrats. Still ruled over poor farmers. These farmers had to pay heavy taxes and do unpaid work. When food prices went up and harvests failed, there was hunger everywhere. People were angry, tired, and hopeless. They became pauper. 1848 in Paris, people exploded. They came into the streets, shouted for food and job. They built barricades, walls made of furniture and stones, and fought the king's soldiers. King Louis Philippe got scared and ran away. National Assembly declared a new republic. Now all men about 21 could vote. The government promised jobs through national workshops. And on the other hand, in Silesia, which is a place in Prussia, currently this Prussia is a part on Germany, Poland and Russia. In this Silesia, many people made a living by weaving cotton, but the rich contractors who gave them work started paying very little. These weavers were desperate. They could not even feed their families. On 4th June in 1848, one such village of 18,000 people, something happened. A huge group of weavers marched to the contractor's mansion, asked for higher pay, but the contractor mocked them and threatened them. And then that's when things turned violent. One group of weavers broke into the mansion, smashed windows and furniture. Others tore up clothes from warehouse. The contractor ran away with his family to the next village, but the people there refused to shelter such a person. The next day, the contractor came back with soldiers.
They started firing. 11 poor weavers were killed in these shots. So if you want to know what happens after this, wait till the next video. And for more such videos, please like, share and subscribe. If you know anyone from 10th grade, do share it to them so that they will also be able to retain their chapters for a long time, because this is just as a story. And if you want a Telugu version of this, do check in my channel. And also if you want the PDF of the story, do comment in the comment box with your contact so that we will be able to share you. If you did not like it, do dislike it, but please do comment why you did not like it. And for more such videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.